We are pleased to present our book on life and fire safety. The book has been co-authored along with my other colleagues, Dr. Chaitali Basu, Abhijit Rastogi, and Kuldeep Kumar. The book is published by Kopal Publishing Group. Book is an outcome of research and understanding the authors developed over the last 20-odd years. The book is targeted at all professionals involved in planning and design and facility management stakeholders. The first chapter of the book is about life and fire safety in buildings, terminology, and concepts. It explains in detail the determinants, interrelationships, risks, and challenges in fire safety in enclosed spaces. The second chapter on building fires and tenability delves on aspects of behavior of occupants to determine specific responses during evacuation in fire emergency and their ability to negate untenable conditions that may be faced during such emergencies. The third section focuses on smoke production and control management in buildings. Compartmentation, dilution, airflow, pressurization, and buoyancy are key determinants of management of smoke.
In the fourth chapter, the focus is on the challenges in planning and design of egress, including the codal provisions related to egress that provides varying compliance requirements, which may appear to be prima facie irrational, but it is these complexities that have been considered in the context of technological advancements, competencies, and support systems, implementation of codal prescriptions, and above all, the psyche of the occupants. The next section is based on the engineering principles of fire containment and compartmentation, including certain fundamental concepts related to providing a safe separation distance. Containment and compartmentation are referred to as passive measures or proactive measures and are inherent in the design solutions that need to be provided or design capability to limit the spread of fire. The sixth chapter goes back to the extended premise that buildings need to stand strong in fire to primarily protect occupants, but also offer resistance to prevent the spread of fire and smoke and exhibit structural integrity, stability, and temperature transmission, thereby preventing the structural collapse in the event of an uncontrolled fire.
Chapter 7 is a dedicated understanding of the evacuation challenges of disabled persons. The chapter presents comprehensive recommendations based on the fire safety issues of the disabled occupants involving the combination of two components, that is, the life safety of occupants with disability and the inability to evacuate buildings independently. And the second one is the obligations of building owners and occupiers to ensure provision of fire safety features for the disabled occupants. Next section is exclusively dedicated to fire and smoke control in basements. The challenge of fire and life safety in basements is different from other spaces due to its confined nature, where the connection with the outside is very limited.
Chapter 9 has largely been explored in terms of design and material selection regarding building envelope. As skyscrapers rise to high in cities, it presents twofold challenge: exit and leapfrog flares that spreads fire to external facade, overwhelming the firefighting strategies. Chapter 10 is a new addition that focuses on the urban fire risk. For urban areas, the challenge can be explained in three aspects, namely life safety, fire safety, and urban fire safety.
We are hopeful that the students and professionals would find this book very useful in their respective endeavors. And we also hope that the work presented in this book will benefit the users with confidence of life and fire safety in the use of buildings.